Ever felt lost during a team review, where everyone's looking at different parts of the file and feedback feels scattered? With Hatch's spotlighting feature, you can lead your team. Click the Collaborator icon at the top right to spotlight yourself. Instantly, everyone's view syncs with yours, so you can guide discussions and keep the focus where it's needed. Need to follow along with a teammate? Click their avatar or the Collaborator icon at the top right to start following their view. You can also accept a spotlight request, instantly syncing to their focus. No more confusion, no more wasted time. Imagine reviewing a 3D model. With spotlighting, you can highlight problem areas. Your team follows seamlessly, making real-time collaboration focused and efficient. Hatch spotlighting and following features bring your team together, keeping collaboration clear and focused. Try it today and transform how you work.